I'm Jonathan at Humanoids Summit. I'm here with Igor from Microfactory, and I was excited to see this because I think I saw this on X about a month ago, and it is an interesting fab setup that can operate all day on specialized tasks. So Igor, tell me what we're looking at here.
Yeah, so this is Microfactory. It's a robot to automate manual tabletop work.
Okay.
And we started with assembling electronics because we have this background in this area.
I see that it's got two different arms and it's got, what, 5-6 cameras on it. And so you don't have to have, say, right now it's assembling a couple of wire, like a wire into a board. Yeah. Things don't have to be put in like a perfect spot, right? You can just, it looks like it's got like a loading tray and you just put things in there and it will be able to find them and align them. Is that what's happening?
Yeah, so we use like a robotic VLA model to do this. And it helps us to deal with this randomness. So model can grab one and then rotate it in the correct way. And then the final part, we train it specifically to be precise, so it can insert this.
Okay, so that's not even easy for a human.
Yeah, it's an industrial connector, so we want to use some real tasks. Yeah.
Okay, thinking this would be like an industrial factory, or more of like maybe you're like a small company who's making custom parts and they just don't want to have human labor all day long. They could have someone doing like just tedious, manual, repetitive work.
There's two types of customers. So big factories who already have like huge automation.
Okay.
They have still some operations that human need to do.
Okay.
Usually it's like involves this connectors.
The small motor tasks.
Yeah. So it's something bendable. It's delicate connectors.
Okay.
So, or when you need to peel off protective film. So all this random operations. So we focus on this last 5%.
Okay.
And for smaller business, we can just assemble the whole product.
Do you have to like work with the customer for it to recognize the hardware I just showed on the screen? You know, it's not just somewhere that you'd find in any store. Do you like work with them and then help make sure the model is correctly working with that? And then from there you can just deploy and let it go all day long?
Yeah, so we focused on making this reliable. And to make this reliable, you like need to show what exactly it needs to do.
Okay.
So we give customers some tools. It's a software and hardware tools, so they can show a robot what to do, and it takes like a couple hours.
Okay.
So it's not a huge amount of time.
Are you training this with like real teleops, or are you training it with like egocentric data or in simulation? How are you training it?
Yeah. So we get existing foundational model, like physical intelligence.